Good morning, my peeps. Let's go for a little walk. I'll show you around some of the boat. The engine room, anyway. Okay, let's go. So, this is our steering gear. It's all fire pumps. That's all for the scrubber system. That's our steering gear, guys. Not like the old one, eh? So that's our steering gear. Up here, that's a caustic tank, caustic soda. That's what they use here. Right. Potable water tanks over there. And some more tanks. That's supposed to be, oh geez, it's supposed to burn the sludge. It's supposed to be able to, but I don't think they use it. Right? So that's the steering gear. Like I said, over there is caustic tank, potable water tank, potable water tank. Okay, let's go back down. Some expansion bellows, some consumables. The boiler. That's all freshwater system over here. Generators, lube oil tanks, and diesel tank over here. There's some air compressors, some air receivers. All right. That's all for the scrubber system. Used to have a bow tube, but they don't have it anymore. I believe that's all part of this here. Like I said, I'm not that familiar with this one, so just bear with me. It's all refrigeration. Right. Revision refrigeration, that's the panel there. That's a foam tank. Another foam. That's our exhaust. There's a piston. They're small on this one. Well, other than the rod, right? There's the main. It's all our stops. Like I said, everything's electronic here, right? CO2 bottle. That's the engineer. I can't say his name. He just changed the filter. Oh, there's the date. Thank you, Mr. Engineer.
Yeah, no problem.
Some CO2 bottles. Purifier room. All right, there's purifier room. All right, so that's the Algoma conveyor. Anyway, peeps, I will get the other deck sometime today or first thing tomorrow. Anyway, peeps, much love. Enjoy your day. And remember, share me out. Come check out my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and Have a good Tuesday.